In this video, I will show you how to turn Nightlight on in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. Now to turn your Nightlight on, what you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then go and open up your settings. If you don't see the settings icon here, you can use the search box at the top, type settings, and open up settings underneath Best Match. What you need to do next, once you've got your settings open, is come across to this menu on the left hand side and click onto System. In this next window, you're going to see Display at the top of the screen. What you want to do is click onto Display, and at the very top, you're going to see the option for Nightlight. So what you can do is give this a click, and then all you need to do, you're going to see a button here to turn on now. So we can click to turn on now, and this is going to basically show warmer colors and block out blue colors. So you can adjust the strength here, and you can also schedule this by turning on the schedule at the bottom, and you can choose when you want to turn your Nightlight on. So that is how to turn Nightlight on in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.